It comes as no surprise that one of the first dealers to get its hands on the high-spec version of the 2019 3 Series is UAE BMW Abu Dhabi Motors. Seen here is the shiny new G20, but not just any ordinary version of the Bavarian sports sedan, as it a generously equipped 330i finished in a BMW Individual color called Dravid Grey Metallic. The special shade will be available from summer 2019 in Europe and at home in Deutschland. It will set you back an extra $250, whereas the other regular metallic paints are available for $400. Got to pay more to stand out, right? BMW also offers this color for the new 8 Series Grand Tour in both coupe and cabriolet forms, and there are a good chance the 3 Series Touring will also have it following its expected debut next month at the 2019 Geneva Motor Show. Getting back to this rear-wheel drive 3 Series, it a high-end M Sport version with a merino leather interior in cognac, which on the US spec model is an option available for $1,700. Also noticeable is the fine wood trim grain on the center console, dashboard, and some other areas throughout the cabin. As a refresher, the base 2019 BMW 3 Series sedan starts off at $40,250 inches this 330i configuration, with the X-Drive model beginning from $42,250. The hotter M340i in both rear and all-wheel drive flavors will follow in July 2019, and there are obviously going to be a range-topping M3 probably due to go on sale sometime next year. You probably heard by now the new Wagon 1 be coming to the United States, but you can still get the previous generation model if you hurry. It available exclusively in the 330i X-Drive specification for a starting price of $45,000.